Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ClickUp for task automation from form submissions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the integration section in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the API section. Click on API to generate your unique API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab and go to the platform where you'll be collecting form submissions. In this example, we'll use Google Forms. Create your form or select an existing one. After your form is set up, go to the Responses tab. Click on the three dots and select Get Email Notifications for new responses. Now, head over to your automation tool, such as Zapier or Integromat. Create a new automation workflow. Set the trigger to be a new form submission from your chosen platform. Follow the prompts to connect your form account. Paste your API key from ClickUp when prompted to authenticate. Once authenticated, set the action to create a new task in ClickUp. Map the form fields to the corresponding task fields in ClickUp. Make sure to test the automation to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you can turn on the automation. Congratulations, you've now authenticated ClickUp for task automation from form submissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.